Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today, we have something very special, the Nokia King 5G, a flagship smartphone that promises to take performance, photography, and design to the next level. In this video, we'll do a complete unboxing, hands-on review, camera test, and performance check so you know exactly what this phone offers in 2026. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Nokia King 5G comes with a premium metallic frame and a smooth glass back, giving it a very luxurious and modern feel. The edges are slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold, while the weight is balanced perfectly. On the front, you get a high-resolution AMOLED display with vivid colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling thanks to its high refresh rate. This makes every video, game, and app experience incredibly immersive. Now moving to performance, the Nokia King 5G is powered by a top-tier processor paired with 16 GB of RAM, which means multitasking, gaming, and heavy app usage is handled effortlessly. Whether you are playing the latest games, editing videos, or running multiple apps at once, this phone delivers a lag-free and smooth performance. The software runs on Android 16, which is optimized for security, speed, and reliability. One of the biggest highlights of the Nokia King 5G is its camera system. The phone features a stunning 200 megapixels main camera, backed by AI-powered photography features. Low-light photography, ultra-wide shots, and detailed portrait images all come out perfectly. The video recording quality is also impressive, supporting 4K at high frame rates with stabilized footage, making it a great choice for content creators or anyone who loves capturing memories in high detail. Battery life is another strong point. The Nokia King 5G comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. Fast charging support ensures you're back to 100% in no time, and the phone also has power-saving modes to extend usage even further. Connectivity is smooth and future-ready with full 5G support, Wi-Fi 7 compatibility, and advanced Bluetooth features. Whether you are streaming content, video calling, or downloading large files, the internet speed is extremely fast and reliable. In terms of extra features, the Nokia King 5G also includes stereo speakers, a high-quality fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and even enhanced gaming modes for a better experience. The phone's AI integration makes everyday tasks faster, more intelligent, and more convenient. During our testing, the Nokia King 5G impressed us in almost every department. From camera quality to performance and battery, it proves to be a real flagship killer in 2026. Compared to other phones in the market, it offers high-end specifications at a competitive price, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking for a premium smartphone experience. If you are looking for a phone that excels in photography, performance, battery, and future-ready connectivity, the Nokia King 5G should be at the top of your list. Its combination of sleek design, powerful hardware, and advanced software ensures a seamless experience for both casual users and power users alike. So, that's our full hands-on review of the Nokia King 5G. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechUnboxPro. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a daily unboxing or review. In the next few minutes, we'll also show you camera tests, gaming performance, and battery endurance, so stay tuned till the end to see the Nokia King 5G in action. This is the phone that truly deserves attention in 2026. Nokia King 5G, combining style, power, and innovation in one amazing package.